This video will demonstrate water filter cartridge replacement for your FlowMax Swan pull-down faucet. The tools you'll need include a 2.5mm hex wrench, needle nose pliers, and of course safety glasses. Before you begin, make sure that the valves connecting your faucet to the water supply are closed. You may then turn the faucet on and then off to release any additional pressure which may remain in the system. Pull the faucet handle into the on position to gain access to the set screw located below the faucet handle. Loosen the set screw with the 2.5mm hex wrench to release the lever handle base from the faucet. Pull the faucet trim ring free of the faucet body and then set it aside. Unscrew the cartridge retaining ring with the needle nose pliers by placing the tips of the pliers in the two recessed spanner holes and unscrew it from the faucet body threading. Pull the faucet cartridge and the spanner-style retaining ring free of the faucet, setting the retaining ring aside. Wipe any dirt, debris, or mineral buildup from the cartridge reservoir before installing the replacement cartridge. Line up the pilot studs on the bottom of the new cartridge with the indentations on the inside of the faucet base and install the new cartridge. If the cartridge pilot studs are not aligned correctly, this will restrict water flow. Replace the cartridge retaining ring to secure the cartridge to the faucet using your needle nose pliers. Replace the trim ring by pressing it into place until it's securely seated into the faucet base. Replace the lever base and tighten the set screw with a 2.5mm hex wrench. Finally, you can turn your water supply back on and check your faucet's water flow to complete the cartridge replacement procedure.